Hello students and welcome to our beautiful world called chemistry. So as I said that I will start crash course. So first of all, welcome to my wonderful YouTube channel Dream Different Think Different. So as I said that I will start crash course, chemistry crash course for the students who are preparing for IIT JEE 2022 and NEET 2022 and MCET 2022 entrance examination. So here few educators are there. సో ఇంకా చాలామంది ఎడ్యుకేటర్స్ ఉన్నారు, బట్ దే ఆర్ లిటిల్ బిట్ బిజీ. సో వాళ్ళు కూడా వస్తారు, డైరెక్ట్ వాళ్ళు వచ్చి టీచ్ చేసేస్తారు. సో టుడే దే విల్ గివ్ దేర్ ఇంట్రొడక్షన్స్ అండ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీ అండ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇన్ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీ, ఫ్రమ్ ఫిజికల్ కెమిస్ట్రీ. one educator will going to introduce themselves and few educators are not came yet, but they will directly come and teach their subjects. So let's start the introduction.
Hello everyone, myself Prashant Parikh, one of the educator at YouTube. So let me introduce myself. I'm a student of NIT Warangal and I'll be teaching you chemistry and a short description about what exactly chemistry is. Okay, so chemistry mostly comprises of 4 different branches, okay, which you'll get to know if you take chemistry as a subject in after 12th standard and bachelor's or master's. Okay, and the 4 branches of chemistry are analytical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry and physical chemistry. Now, why you must study chemistry? Because chemistry is one of the important subject both for the entrance exam, that is JEE and NEET, and even for your state entrance exam, that is MCET. Okay. Now, along with chemistry, in JEE you will be having maths and physics, and if I talk about NEET, you will be having biology and physics along with chemistry. So chemistry is a subject which is included in both the entrance test. So obviously it's very important. Okay, suppose if you are in 11th standard and you are not sure about that, I should go for NEET or I should go for JEE. So obviously chemistry you can start learning because it will be a part of both the entrance test. Now, among the 4 branches of chemistry, let me tell you, analytical chemistry is been asked in a least amount, or I would say not least amount, a bit less amount compared to the rest 3 branches, that is organic and inorganic and physical chemistry. Now me along with 3 to 4 other tutors will be teaching inorganic chemistry. Now what exactly inorganic chemistry consists of? So inorganic chemistry consists of all the elements except carbon, hydrogen and oxygen we'll be dealing with. Obviously we are going to deal with carbon, hydrogen, oxygen as well in inorganic chemistry, but in depth we are going to deal about them in organic chemistry. And we'll start the inorganic course with the description, that is how the periodic table was made. So first our chapter is the introduction of the periodic table, then we are going to go on different blocks of the periodic table, okay, that is S block elements, P block elements, T block elements, F block elements, and then yes, one more important topic, that is hydrogen element, which is a bit complex element. If you will study periodic table, then you'll get to know that why exactly it is complex. Okay, we're going to study about it as well. Then we're going to study of coordination chemistry, which consists of D block elements, which is one of the very most important topic of inorganic chemistry, and many questions are asked in entrance exams based on this part. Okay, that is coordination chemistry. And then we're going to study about the F block elements, that is the lanthanoid series and actinoid series as well. Okay, so in short, if I say you about inorganic chemistry, it is going to roll around the periodic table itself only. Obviously that is the inorganic chemistry. Okay, we study about all the elements, okay, but not in as depth which we study in organic chemistry. In organic chemistry we study only about carbon, oxygen and hydrogen in quite depth. Okay, so this was all the introduction about inorganic chemistry, and obviously it's quite interesting and it's quite important as well on the basis of your entrance test, on the basis of your regular knowledge, or even if you wish to go in any of the other streams, like if you want to become a scientist, if you want to become a geoscientist or anything, chemistry is found everywhere. So this was all about it, and I hope so you're going to enjoy our session, and even we'll be having a doubt session after the end of our teaching, so that if you want to share any of your doubts, or if you want to discuss anything along with us, we'll be free and we'll be happy to solve it out. Thank you. That's it.
Hello guys, this is Saloni, one of your educators. I am mainly going to cover the physical chemistry part. Coming to this crash course will help you to cover the IIT JEE mains syllabus, NEET, along with the other related examinations. Me and my team, we all are very excited to initiate this program, and I I hope that you all join to the maximum extent possible and support us throughout. Thank you so much.
Hello friends, myself Jyoti, and I am one of the educator of organic chemistry. Me and my team are going to teach you all about organic chemistry. As you are very busy with studying so many subjects, maths, physics, biology, chemistry, and we are here to make you the chemistry is very simple to reach you. And if you come to the syllabus, there are first one IUPAC nomenclature, then purification techniques, and hydrocarbons. There are in that comprise of alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and if you go to hydroxy compounds, carbonyl compounds, which comprises of aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids, esters, carbonic anhydrates, and other parts are amino acids, carbohydrates, and chemistry in everyday life. These are the topics comprised in organic chemistry, and our team are ready and very excited to teach you the logics of organic chemistry, where the complete secret lies behind. And we are going to rock, and we are waiting to teach you everything in organic chemistry. Thank you.
Hello students, my name is Edukondlu. I am one of the educators in chemistry. I am very excited to teach you in organic and physical chemistry and meet you soon.
Hello friends, I am Kanayak Swa. I will teach you physical chemistry along with our team. All the best.
Hello friends, my name is Sonu Kumar and I am going to teach you a physical chemistry along with faculty. Thank you.
This is the introduction of the educators, and we will start this crash course within 5 days. After 5 days, we will make videos and we will upload. Okay na? If anyone have any doubts, you can comment on the below comment section. We will answer it. So okay, thank you so much for watching all of you. All the very best.